Are you not okay with it? I washed the hand-knit socks, you know.
Okay.
So a couple of things. One, yes, this is the same sweater I was wearing as yesterday. I just want to say that I was wearing a different shirt today, but I got water all over the sleeve, and no one likes a wet sleeve. So I just, this was still out, so I just changed into this instead. But it's also a hand-knit sweater, and if I want to wear it every day, I can, right? All right, the other thing is I need to order new envelopes. So I was gonna just show those to you guys quickly. So these are the envelopes that I have, and I keep them in these boxes I got from the Container Store. So I have my small ones, my medium ones, and my large ones. And so if you guys have ordered from me and you see on the bottom there's like a note that has like an S, an M, or an L, that's just a note to myself of what size envelope, so that way when I'm printing the shipping labels I can just know without having to calculate it then and there. And I do get my envelopes from Eco Enclosed, and they are 100% recycled, so they're all made from recycled material, and they're also recyclable and reusable, so you can reuse them too. If you guys have ordered from me, I don't package my yarn in plastic. I kind of rely on this. It is pretty thick, and that is just to reduce the amount of plastic that I'm using in my orders. So I don't wrap the yarn in plastic, I just put it in these bags and send them on their way. So I have 3 different sizes, and I'm down to my last package of each, and so you can see there are quite a bit here, but I always like to have a backup package. I don't like to run low, and then if there are delays, this company can be out of stock of sizes quite a bit, so I don't like to run low, so I'm just figuring out what I want to get and how many to get of each size. I definitely use the smallest ones the most. I can get up to 100 grams in here, and my shop mostly sells minis and 100 gram skeins. So I feel like for the most part I use my smalls and my mediums, a lot of smalls, and then the large ones are the most rare. So that's what I'm doing.